how to log out of your account on Waking Up application. First, you want to open your Waking Up app. And inside the application, if you already have an account, you want to simply tap on log in, type it out the informations over here to log in into your account. However, if you're already logged in into your account, you want to simply go to your profile settings, and on your profile dashboard, you should be able to find the log out option at the very bottom of your page. You want to simply tap on that log out option to log out of your account. However, there is a much quicker way to log out of your account as well. You want to simply come back from the app completely, tap and hold on to the Waking Up application and tap on app info. Tap on storage and cache and simply clear your storage from here. By doing so, you'll be removing all the user's data, hence logging you out of your account as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.